Most people think that income investing is for retirees, but what if I told you that it could be one of the smartest moves you make in your 20s? Hi, I'm Leon, and welcome back to Leon's Money Flow, where I bring you guys on my journey to financial freedom, and hopefully I can inspire some of you guys to start on your own journey too. Today, we're going to be talking about income investing, what it is, and how it differs from other types of investing, and why I think it could be a great option even at a young age. So, what is income investing? Income investing is a style of investing where you generate cash flow, either through dividends or distributions, rather than just long-term capital appreciation. There are three types of investing: your traditional growth investing, your basic dividend investing, like where you buy established company like Coca-Cola and it pays like a 4 or 5% yield per year. And thirdly, there's income investing, which I feel is more niche and we'll be discussing more today. Income investing is designed to make your portfolio give you a consistent cash flow throughout the year. Let's move on to reasons to consider income investing. The first reason is that it establishes a cash flow mindset. Income investing gives you an additional income stream, and that is great for people of all ages, especially young people, as it also gives them a goal to chase, like X number of dollars of passive income a month. It also teaches them the importance of investing, as they can choose to spend their $1,000 on the next video game console, or they can put the money in a covered call ETF that generates them $20, $25 a month for the rest of their lives. Reason number two is that there is tangible progress that you can see now. Income investing lets you see results right away through their monthly distributions. And this is unlike traditional growth investing, where you may need to wait decades before you can realize your gains and see if your strategy is working or not. Reason number three is that it solves the need of market timing. And what I mean is that income investing solves the two hardest questions when it comes to traditional investing, where you buy low and sell high. The two questions are when to buy and when to sell. These questions are easily answered, as the answer to the first question is when you have the money and as soon as you can, because the earlier you buy, then the earlier you'll begin to receive this steady cash flow. The answer to the second question of when to sell is you don't really need to sell because you get that steady cash flow. And in the event that you actually do need to sell, these ETFs don't fluctuate too much because they give you a monthly income, and so you no longer need to worry about selling at the bottom. Reason number four is that it provides resilience in different market conditions. Because of how covered calls work, it can generate income in all sorts of markets, whether it's up, down, or sideways. This allows you to remain calm and collected during volatile times. Reason number five is that stock price doesn't matter as much. Your income stream stays steady regardless of day-to-day market fluctuations. Let me give you an example. It's like you own a rental house and the rental house property value fluctuates every day, but you're receiving a steady rental income every month. Are you gonna panic sell your rental property just because it went down or up? No. Reason number 6 is that it offers many psychological benefits and motivation. Have you ever heard of the saying where investing is mostly about your mentality? Well, being able to receive a steady cash flow will allow you to stay disciplined and motivated during downturns in the market and will prevent you from panic selling. It will also allow you to stay and stick to your plan. Reason number 7, and I think this is the most beneficial, is that this extra cash flow gives you more options in your life. Income investing can alleviate all or some of your financial burdens now, and that means that you no longer need to make decisions solely based on money. You can now change your career, you can explore that new business venture, or you can take extra days off to spend time with your family. And this all leads to the end goal of financial freedom, which is the big end goal, the ultimate return. And I believe that trumps any type of return that you can get from a stock. To recap, income investing is not just for retirees. It is an important tool for investors of all ages. On a personal note, I have recently crossed $1,000 monthly from my income portfolio. And as a result of me doing all this research and talking about income investing, my family has been influenced and is now dabbling into income ETFs. My mom, who has traditionally been in mutual funds for the last 20 or so years, is now holding one of the ETFs that I hold. What do you think? Do you see yourself going into growth, income, or a little bit of both? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video and found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to follow my next video where I'll be breaking down my own portfolio holdings and you'll see how I'm putting my money where my mouth is. See you in the next video.